News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Ramya, giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today, we will be discussing about vacancies in Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, Department of Higher Education, Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad, Export-Import Bank of India, Northeast Regional Institute of Water and Land Management, the Indian Institute of Mass Communication, Department of Biophysics, University of Delhi, Ramakrishna Ashram, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Sashastra Seema Bal, University of Hyderabad, Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, and Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences. Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology is a national academic and research institute under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, engaged in research and development in the areas of food processing and value addition, and also offers B.Tech, M.Tech and PhD programs in the area of food processing. Applications are invited from bright, dynamic and highly motivated candidates for the following faculty positions at IIFT, Tanjore on direct recruitment basis. 5 posts of Professor, Food Processing or Agricultural Process Engineering. 1 post of Professor, Biochemistry. 1 post of Associate Professor, Food Process or Agricultural Process Engineering. 1 post of Assistant Professor, Agricultural Entomology. Commencement of online applications is 2nd December 2020 at 9:30 a.m. onwards. Last date for receipt of applications for all the posts is 45 days from the date of publication of the employment notification in Employment News. For further details, please visit the website www.iift.edu.in. Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India invites applications for appointment to the post of Director of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Interested individuals may be sent by registered or speed post to the concerned person on or before 20th of January 2021. The detailed advertisement and the format of application is available on the website www.education.gov.in. Indian Institute of Technology, Dharwad is an autonomous premier science and technology institute established by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India in 2016 under the mentorship of IIT Bombay. Academic activities at IIT Dharwad commenced in July 2016 with B.Tech course being offered in 3 core branches, namely Computer Science, Electrical Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. The institute invites online applications from eligible and well-qualified Indian nationals for different project positions for engagement in various funded R&D projects from time to time. Further detailed instructions, online application form and project-specific requirement etc. are available on the institute website http://iitdh.ac.in. Export-Import Bank of India, an all-India premier financial institution engaged in financing, facilitating and promoting India's international trade, having a network of 19 officers in India and overseas, invites applications from fresh management graduates for 60 posts of management trainee. Interested candidates must fill up the online application form available on the bank's website under the career section on 19th December 2020. Please apply on or before 31st of December 2020. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for 1 post of Accounts Officer in Northeast Region Institute of Water and Land Management. The application, along with all necessary documents and testimonials, should be sent to the concerned person in registered or speed post before 30 days from the issue of this advertisement. Details regarding application format, eligibility, qualification, etc. may be found on the website www.neriwalm.gov.in. Indian Institute of Mass Communication, an autonomous society under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, with its main campus in New Delhi and regional campuses at Aizawl, Amravati, Dhenkanal, Jammu and Kottayam, invites applications from eligible candidates for the faculty positions at the following levels in the field of mass communication: 6 posts of Associate Professors and 2 posts of Assistant Professor. Details of pro forma for application, pay scale, eligibility qualifications, etc. are available in the vacancy section of the website of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, that is www.iimc.gov.in. The last date for receiving completed applications at the Indian Institute of Mass Communication is 15th of January 2021. Department of Biophysics, University of Delhi invites applications for the post of Research Associate on temporary co-terminus with project basis. Applications should be received at the email ID mg.du.labpositions@gmail.com within 21 days of publication of this advertisement on DU website or in Employment News. Ramakrishna Ashram Krishi Vigyan Kendra under the aegis of Sri Ramakrishna Ashram, Nimpit, West Bengal invites applications for the following vacant posts: 1 post of Senior Scientist and Head and 1 post of supporting staff. The post is purely temporary and will continue as long as the Krishi Vigyan Kendra will be funded by ICAR. General instructions and how to apply etc. is available on Krishi Vigyan Kendra website www.rakvknimpit.org.in. Apply to the chairman within 21 days of publication through registered post or speed post only. Directorate General Sashastra Seema Bal invites applications from eligible candidates to fill up 2 posts of Senior Field Officer, Mountaineering by Composite Method, Deputation Method including short-term contract plus promotion. Applications of filling and eligible officers may please be forwarded to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The advertisement is also available on Sashastra Seema Bal website www.ssbrectt.gov.in and www.ssb.gov.in. University of Hyderabad invites applications from Indian citizens for the following non-teaching positions on deputation or short-term contract basis: 1 post of Finance Officer, 1 post of Internal Audit Officer, 1 post of Assistant Engineering Civil, 1 post of Assistant Engineering Electrical, and 5 posts of Personal Assistant. The last date for submission of hard copy of application by post or by courier is 31st of December 2020. For complete details, please visit the university website www.uohyd.ac.in/careers-uoh. Institute of Secretariat Training and Management, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions invites applications for filling up of 1 faculty post of Deputy Director Accounts by appointment on deputation basis from among suitable and eligible officers working under central government or state government and teaching or research faculty from recognized universities of India. Details of the eligibility conditions for appointment to the vacant post in Institute of Secretariat Training and Management and the proforma in which applications can be sent may be downloaded from the department's website www.persmin.nic.in as well as from the Institute of Secretariat Training and Management website www.istm.gov.in. Applications of suitable and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent to the concerned person within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. Eligible and interested candidates may apply through proper channel for the following posts on deputation basis in Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences: 1 post of Administrative Officer, 1 post of Assistant Administrative Officer, 1 post of Assistant Engineer Electrical, 1 post of Junior Engineer Civil, 1 post of Personal Assistant, 3 posts of Lower Division Clerk. The application should be sent to the concerned person latest by 26th of December 2020. For eligibility criteria, that is qualification, experience, age, and application format, etc., please visit the website www.ihbas.delhigovernment.nic.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsttalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.